Weather Wednesday. So I built this segment for you because I've been looking at some long-range forecasts. I mentioned that summer overall on average was actually pretty mild for Bakersfield. So what does fall look like? We are just getting those forecasts in. So if you are new to 17 News at Noon, Weather Wednesday is a time when we get to talk about the weather a little more in depth together and see how it is impacting our lives here in Kern County. Today we have those long-range forecast maps from the National Weather Service as we head into the season of fall later this month. NOAA's Climate Prediction Center seasonal outlook for September, October, and November is favoring a La Nina pattern. So that's near average temperatures in the Pacific Ocean. The fall precipitation outlook has below average precipitation favored for the Great Basin and for us here in the Southwest, which you see includes Southern California and our portion of Kern County and the central part of the state. This region of below average precipitation is co-located with the areas where we have above average temperatures and below average soil moisture. So that's how we come up with these long range temperature and precipitation forecasts. Above normal precipitation is favored for Alaska and the Pacific Northwest. That's great, but not for us here at home. Here's the September, October, November 2025 outlook that's favoring these above normal temperatures. And so without the rain, we're just going to stay pretty toasty for the rest of the year. The majority of the contiguous U.S., as you see, is expecting the highest probabilities of a 60 to 70% chance of above normal temperatures for the season ahead. This is due to that agreement among forecast models and the presence of below average soil moisture and above normal decadal temperature trends. So that's why we have some pretty high confidence that it will be a La Nina season. And while normal temperatures are still favored for the West Coast, probabilities are increased from 33 to 40% over much of California due to our climatology indicating the potential for these warmer temperatures. So with all of that broadly favored over the U.S. through November, December, and January, they're beginning to analyze long-range winter forecasts, which could be drier than average. We had 2 years of above average, so at least we are looking at a nice snowpack that we were able to hold on to for a couple years. Now, we'll be right back.